आराम से चलाइए, आराम से
पड़ेगा लगता है मेरे फोटो का हो जाने के बाद अपन सर एक लुक यहाँ से भी है। अरे चांदी इधर तो देख।
चलिए बैठ जाइए प्लीज आप लोग।
रणवीर की दाढ़ी दिख रही है, वानी बड़ी प्यारी दिख रही है। हाय गाइस,
हेलो।
क्या टोपी पहनाई है यशराज ने आपको, वाओ। गाना नहीं बजा, बस यू एंड मी सॉन्ग कोई बजा ही दे। साउंड स्टूडियो में बैठे लेकिन गाना नहीं बजेगा, गाने के लॉन्च पे आए लेकिन गाना नहीं बजेगा। मतलब किसी को मेरा डांस देखना ही नहीं है। गाना बजाओ,
गाएंगे
नहीं तो गाना गाओ, हम डांस करेंगे। डांस ये तो हमारा काम है। आप आए हैं तो आपका मनोरंजन करना है, कोई तो गाओ। एक ही बार सुना है, दोबारा सुन लेते हैं। नहीं है ठीक है, बाद में प्ले करेंगे, व्हाई नॉट। हाँ जी जी, तो शुरू करें सिलसिला सवाल और जवाब का। आर यू कम्फी?
रणवीर,
यस सर।
मेरा सवाल आपसे है।
आप बोल कहां से रहे हैं?
मैं बैक सर, सवाल ये है कि जब ये गाना शूट हो रहा था तो कोई वाकया पर्टिकुलर जो आप शेयर करना चाहें वाइल शूट?
वाकया है आपके पास कोई वाकया?
सोच रही हूँ।
बड़ा मजा
अरे
आया
जब
जी।
when we were shooting for the hospital scene and I had to hop, मुझे एक टांग पे वो स्टेप करना था और रणवीर हंस रहा था मुझ पे क्योंकि मैं दोनों पैर पे स्टेप नहीं कर पा रही थी, तो आदि मेड श्योर कि उसको भी एक स्टेप एक टांग पे नाचना पड़े।
देखो सर, इतनी पर्सनैलिटी देखो, मुझे बड़ा मजा आया। देखो आदि सर ने कहा था यू हैड बेटर गो टू द जिम बिकॉज यू हैव मेनी शर्टलेस सीन्स इन द फिल्म एंड यू हैव बेटर हैव योर सिक्स पैक एंड ऑल इन ऑर्डर। सो हम लोग हार्डली एनी खाना खा रहे थे, मैं तो खैर नहीं खा रहा था, लेकिन इस गाने में एक कट है, आप देख रहे हैं, मैं न्यूटेला वाले क्रेप खा रहा हूँ और जो मतलब पेट भर के खाया मैंने उस दिन। मैं तो अपने ट्रेनर को बोल रहा आई कांट हेल्प इट मैन, वो लंदन से आया था, आई कांट हेल्प इट डूड, इट्स फॉर द शॉट, आई गॉट टू डू व्हाट आई गॉट टू डू फॉर द शॉट। मैंने बिल फाड़ दिया शॉट पे और खाया जी भर के न्यूटेला वाले क्रेप। आहा हा।
ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे आप लोग पेरिस में थे, आज मुंबई में है
जी हाँ।
लॉन्च पे। दोनों तरफ की मीडिया आपको कैसी लगी, वहां की मीडिया और यहाँ आमची मुंबई की मीडिया?
वाह, ये भी कोई सवाल है आरजे आलोक? नो आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स दुनिया घूम के आ जाओ, लेकिन लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा और देखा जापान, बट ये मेरा इंडिया, आई लव माई इंडिया। कितनी मधुर आवाज है ना मेरी। कोई ब्रेक ही नहीं दे रहा मुझे। देखो
वो बोल नहीं सकते अच्छी है तो सब पोलाइटली हंसेंगे।
मैं तो अमरीश पुरी की आवाज में भी गाना गा सकता हूँ। लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा और देखा जापान। मुझे कोई ब्रेक ही नहीं दे रहा यार, सब सिंगिंग कर रहे हैं, मुझसे नहीं करवा रहा कोई। बस अरिजीत ने जो मोनोपोली बना के रखी है, खास करके उनका जो लेटेस्ट गाना हिट हुआ है नशे सी चढ़ गई, उसके बाद तो मेरा कोई चांस ही नहीं है। बड़ा ही ट्राई किया मैंने जी, नशे सी चढ़ गई होए, लेकिन उसकी बात नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि आज है यू एंड मी का लॉन्च, उसकी बात करते हैं। आओ और सन्नाटा, क्या बात है। और जी कोई सवाल जी इस गाने के बारे में?
अच्छा, इस गाने के बारे में पूछना है और पूछ सकते हैं?
जी
और-
पूछिए पूछिए।
अच्छा, जैसे हमने पढ़ा कि CBFC क्लियर द फिल्म विदाउट एनी कट्स, तो क्या आपके केसेस की ड्यूरेशन बहुत शॉर्ट थे क्या?
फन है।
यार देखिए उन्होंने पिक्चर देखी है और हमें सर्टिफिकेट भी दे दिया UA। क्या बात है, तालियां, सर्टिफिकेट हाथ में आ गया जी, बड़ी खुशी की बात है। लड्डू बांटेंगे हम बाद में बाहर कैलोरी कॉन्शियस के लिए, बिना घी के लड्डू। लेकिन हाँ, इस बात की बहुत खुशी है क्योंकि ये फिल्म एक्चुअली वाकई में यही है, इसका जो इस फिल्म का जो दिल है देसी है। और अगर इफ यू गो टू सी द विजन ऑफ द फिल्म मेकर मिस्टर आदित्य चोपड़ा इन हिज वेरी फर्स्ट एसेट दैट ही रिलीज, लबों का कारोबार, यू नो, इट्स एन अटेम्प्ट टू शो अ किस इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट वे, like with a lot of love and laughter and warmth, you know। ये आपको कोई पिक्चर देख के ऑफेंड नहीं हो सकता कि कि क्या होता है अक्सर आप किसी बच्चे को लेके गए, आपके साथ कोई बच्चे हैं, अगर आप फिल्म देख रहे हैं तो वो किस आ गया तो आप ऐसे ऐसे आंखें छुपा रहे हैं या उनको ले जा रहे हैं बाहर, ऐसा इस फिल्म में नहीं होगा। एंड आई थिंक द सेंसर्स हैव आल्सो you know aligned to that के a kiss is shown with the same kind of warmth as a hug, you know, it's normalized, and we're very happy that certificate मिल गया। I mean सर्टिफिकेट मिल गया, इट्स ए फैमिली फिल्म। तो आइएगा, सब आइएगा December 9 को अपनी फैमिलीज को लेके, बड़ा ही मजा आएगा। तो वेरी हैप्पी फिल्म, बड़ी हैप्पी वाली फीलिंग इट विल लीव यू विद, एंड वी आर वेरी हैप्पी दैट वी हैव गॉट अ UA सर्टिफिकेट।
So,
How do you feel about stepping into Shah Rukh territory so far as Adi is concerned? Very cliched question, but please answer.
I mean, I am the least territorial person. I am not stepping into anyone's territory. I am just taking things as they come. You know, Adi sir was very clear from the very beginning when he conceptualized this film that he wanted to make it with me. I think he had spoken to me even before he started the scripting. So I've been a part of this film from the initial stages of the process. And I'm really happy and proud that my mentor selected me to be a part of this film, because it's a really big deal for me to be, you know, performing for him. He means so much to me. So it will always be a special film. Just the fact that I was directed by him is a huge deal for me.
Hi Ranveer, you're on it. Is it a conscious decision from your part to do a light-hearted film like Befikre in between two intense
what film?
A light-hearted
A light-hearted film.
in between two intense films like Padmavati
I mean,
and Bajirao?
Yeah, that's a great observation actually. It wasn't by calculation or design or anything. I've just been really, really blessed that the right kind of film has come to me at the right time, and it's happening in that order. Yes, Bajirao was a very, very emotionally, physically, mentally draining and exhausting experience. And you could say in a way, Befikre was just what the doctor ordered, just what I needed after an intense film like that, was to do a happy film, a breezy film, you know, and the shooting process was also reflective of that. Your shooting experience will always be reflective of the kind of film you're doing, I believe. So we had a lot of fun. I would ask Adi sir, so tell me a little bit, you know, how do you want me to be and stuff like. He was like, there's nothing, don't overthink it, just come every day in the morning fresh and happy. And I think if you go about it that way, that happiness will translate in the film. And yeah, I think I've had the best shooting experience ever. Every day you'd go, you'd have a beautiful co-actor, you'd be shooting in a beautiful place, you'll have some lovely, light, humorous scenes where you're also improvising and collaborating with a really sharp, creative mind. And it's been a most wonderful experience. And I really do believe that that happiness that we made the film with has translated on screen. It's one of the happiest phases of my life, one of the happiest phases of Adi sir's life, if I may say so on his behalf. And I think that has translated into the film. So I would love for everybody to come with all their friends and all their family and have this shared experience and go back feeling light, full of love and happy. हाँ जी जी यार एपिसोड तो बहुत ही कमाल का धमाकेदार एपिसोड रहा. आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ फन. सारे ही जो रिस्पॉन्सेस थे हमारे बेफिक्रे टाइप के थे. अब जब भी वो एयर करेंगे आपको दिखेगा. आप बहुत बड़ा मजा आया, लेकिन बहुत मजा आया, लेकिन I must admit I've had a blast with the two of them today.
रणवीर सिंह, आरती सक्सेना, आजकल लोग सब टेंशन में घूम रहे हैं 500 और 1000 नोट के लिए. आप बेफिक्रे हैं कि आप भी टेंशन में हैं हमारी तरह?
I think मैं तो बेफिक्रे हूँ. I'm not a numbers guy. मुझे ना मैथमेटिक्स समझ में आती है, ना इकोनॉमिक्स समझ में आती है. मुझे सिर्फ आता है पापा. पापा कुछ टेंशन की बात है? नहीं बेटा, ठीक है, वेरी गुड. मैं तो बेफिक्रे हूँ जी. मुझे इन सब बातों में का नॉलेज नहीं है, तो आई एम नॉट एक्चुअली क्वालिफाइड टू कमेंट ऑन all that's going on.
Vani, here, I have a question for you. Vani, okay, first.
मैं तो गरीब हूँ. मेरे पास तो है ही नहीं इतने पैसे कि मुझे टेंशन लेनी पड़े.
आएंगे बेटे, छप्पड़ फाड़ के आएंगे
रणवीर सिंह
इंशाल्लाह.
मुझे अपनी आधी पेमेंट देगा अगर मूवी
किस खुशी
ने
में?
अच्छा किया तो.
किस खुशी में वानी?
Vani, your last film was quite some time back, so ये पूछना चाहूँगा कि इतना gap क्यों था बीच में? I think almost 3 years. So why was the gap?
I was honestly waiting for something very. क्या बात?
क्यों बच्ची को डरा क्यों रहे हो यार? कमाल है.
अरे मैं ऑलरेडी नर्वस हूँ, अभी नर्वस
हाँ,
जैसे
कमाल है यार, कमाल है. ऑलरेडी नर्वस है, इतने बात के इतने सालों बाद मीडिया के सामने आई है. कमाल है, चिल्लाओ मत यार. कमाल.
सॉरी.
क्यों ये गैप?
ये गैप आदि चोपड़ा की वजह से है, क्योंकि उन्होंने मुझे बिठा के रखा और मुझे पता नहीं था ऑनेस्टली क्या मिलेगा नेक्स्ट. पर इतना पता था कि आई वाज जेन्युइनली वेटिंग कुछ अच्छा आए तो मैं करूं. और उन्होंने मुझे बोला था कि तुम वेट करो बिकॉज आई एम श्योर यू विल गेट समथिंग गुड. आई एम जस्ट लेट्स सी व्हाट what next project comes your way, which will justify and which I think will be apt for you as a second project. तो अब उन्होंने 3 साल लगा दिए पिक्चर लिख के बनाने में, इसलिए इतना टाइम लग गया.
And how was the experience with Ranveer in this film?
बहुत दुखी किया इसने मुझे, बहुत दुखी किया.
सवाल कर दिया आपने. अब खुलेगी मेरी पोल.
आपको बिहाइंड द सीन्स की वीडियो देखनी चाहिए हमारी.
मैंने तो बड़ा ही टाइम पास किया जी. बहुत रैगिंग की मैंने. मैं स्कूल में लोगों को बहुत रैग करता था.
ये वाला तो मीन बॉयज नहीं होते स्कूल में, वो वैसा था मेरे साथ.
सालों बाद मुझे मौका मिला किसी की रैगिंग करने. मैंने दिल खोल के रैगिंग किया वानी. यार बात ये कि जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले ही रिस्पॉन्स दिया था कि इस फिल्म में जो किसेस हैं वो बहुत दे फुल ऑफ लव एंड फुल ऑफ वार्मथ, यू नो. तो आई थिंक anybody who's intelligent enough at a very basic level is understanding and cognizant of that. जैसे कि अगर आप लबों का कारोबार देखें तो you know there are many different kinds of kisses and they're full of that feeling of love. आपको ऐसे नहीं ऐसे nobody will cringe when they watch it. And I guess that's why you've got a UA certificate यार. Family friends क्या बोलेंगे? मैंने तो UA film की है. कमाल है. हाँ जी, मतलब मैंने क्या कहा था? फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स. फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स. मैडम मैं 6 साल काम किया, मैं एक्सपर्ट हो गया हूँ. कमाल है यार.
हाय रणवीर.
रणवीर यहाँ आपके सामने आपने 22 इतने किसिंग सीन दिए हैं फिल्म में.
सिर्फ 22 है क्या?
तो आपको इमरान हाशमी पार्ट 2 का टैग लगेगा, ऐसा लग रहा है आपको?
नहीं सर, मैं किसी का पार्ट 2 नहीं बनना चाहता. मैं सिर्फ रणवीर बनना चाहता हूँ. इमरान हाशमी is according to me an unexplored artist. He has so much left in him, left to explore, and with the right opportunity I'm sure he's going to show everybody that he's much more than just this reputation of kissing. He's a fabulous artist. I've known him for many years, even before I became an actor, and I'm really looking forward to his upcoming films.
Hi Ran, over here. You know, you have been in the industry for just 6 years, and in 6 years you have worked with 2 of the biggest directors, that is Sanjay Leela Bhansali and Aditya Chopra. So how was it working with them? And second question is there any other director you wish to work with?
There are a lot of directors on my wish list. I'm hoping that in the near future I get to work with some really young and fresh minds, you know, people with new ideas, with a new perspective. I'm hoping to work with younger directors. And yeah, it's not just Adi sir and Sanjay sir. I've got to learn a little bit from each and every one of my directors who are special to me in their own way, be it Zoya, be it Vikramaditya Motwani, Manish, Ali, everybody I've learned a lot from. Of course, Mr. Bhansali and Mr. Chopra are two directors of our film industry who have an equity of their own. And I'm really proud that at this early stage of my career, I have been a leading man to the both of them. I think it's the two of them have, I read something recently, I got a forward saying that I'm the only actor to be directed by Sanjay Bhansali and Aditya Chopra in addition to Mr. Bachchan and Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. And that's a very, very proud thing for me. So I'm really blessed and lucky. And I hope to continue working with directors who enrich me as an artist. Been very blessed so far and I hope to continue in the same vein.
Hi Ranveer, Vivek here. सर मैंने आपके लिए कुछ करके रखा था, सोचा था आपको बर्थडे में गिफ्ट देंगे, बट आप बर्थडे के बाद से मिले नहीं, तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना बेफिक्रे के ट्रेलर लॉन्च में किया जाए, बट आप वो भी आपने पेरिस में कर दिया. फिर मैंने सोचा था क्यों ना कोई किसी मीडिया इवेंट में ही मैं आपसे मिलूंगा और आपको कुछ दिखाऊंगा.
मैं फाइनली हाथ में आ गया.
यस फाइनली आप.
मैंने लगा यार मैं ये.
So क्या मैं वहाँ पे आ सकता हूँ?
आ जाओ. इतने टाइम से कुछ करके रखा है, मुझे तो टेंशन हो गई. बापू क्या करने वाला है तू? Wow, man, that's incredible, man. वानी को तो देखो.
Vani, my question is to you. Vani, hi, here. There were lots of intense kisses in Shuddh Desi Romance. There are lots of intense kisses in this film as well. Who kisses better?
That's unfair to ask. Yeah, it's an obvious answer.
Ranveer, you have repeatedly said, yeah, how are you?
Top of the world, ma'am.
You've repeatedly said, referred to kissing as warmth. Why have you not directly said it was hot? And what is the difference between warmth and hot? Kiss being hot.
I mean, like I said, there are different kinds of kisses. When it's a hot kiss.
When do you take an opportunity of the hot kiss?
When do I take the opportunity of a hot kiss? I've done every kind of kiss that there is to do, and I'm sure there are many more, but I've done my fair share of kissing on screen. These kisses, perhaps you could not count as the hot and sexy kisses. You know, I've done those. I mean, you've seen that song, right? वो भी खेला मैडम. So yeah, I mean that there is a situation for every kiss. There is a certain feeling attached to every act of kissing. That of course was a very hot and sexy, passionate kiss. And these kisses are a little bit more full of that feeling of love and warmth. So I guess that's the difference. I'm fortunate enough to have an opportunity to explore both kinds of performances on the screen.
And also with somebody special, that kiss.
Which kiss?
Ang laga de.
If you say so.
Okay,
Ranveer?
Vani, can you tell us best thing about Ranveer Singh? Hi, I'm here. Khushbu.
Sorry. Yeah. Best thing about Ranveer
Yeah.
Singh? Oh, अब सोचना
I've
पड़ेगा,
got
time
good breath.
लगेगा.
I've got good breath.
Then annoying thing. And Ranveer, what is the best thing about
Why am
Vani?
I
He
answering?
makes me feel extremely comfortable. Yeah. I feel very, very comfortable. And the fact that he has a good soul. And you can see that and you can feel that. So even when you're working with him, you just see through that, you see that niceness in him. And he really does have a good heart.
इतने अच्छे से ब्रेन वॉश किया है मैंने तुझे.
थोड़ा बहुत झूठ बोला.
सही जवाब दिया तूने बेटी.
Ranveer, what is the best thing about Vani?
10 में से 2 हंटर कम मारूंगा अभी तुझे मैं.
ए चल मेरा जवाब दे. कुछ पूछा है.
Sorry, कुछ पूछ रहे.
Ranveer, what is the best thing about Vani?
What's the best thing about Vani?
सबसे best. मतलब out of all the good things that I have.
She is a sweetheart. She's a sweetheart. She's a sweet person, sweet girl. मतलब
मतलब too sweet.
yeah, she's lovely.
Better than Nutella.
She's lovely. She's what is that I think is the best thing in addition to a number of things. She brings such a great energy to the film set.
Yeah, I was going to say that for him.
It's exhilarating. It's very rare that there is somebody else's energy that infects me and energizes me. And that happened to me from the very first day with Vani. She's always in the moment and she works extremely hard at her craft. She's very passionate about acting and about films. But what I love the most about her is that she's a darling of a person.
रणवीर
अभी ये जो गाना हम लोगों ने देखा उसके शुरुआत में हम लोग ताला बांधते हैं कि हम लोग कभी प्यार में नहीं पड़ेंगे. तो ये जो रिलेशनशिप हो लेकिन प्यार नहीं हो, इस किस्म के रिलेशनशिप में मतलब एक ये बेफिक्रेपन जो है इससे कितना रिलेट करते हैं आप दोनों?
क्या था वो? No tags, no.
कि हम कभी.
See, a romantic relationship has many layers, right? And I think what essentially they're trying to say is that don't put it in a box. Don't give it a tag. It is what it is. There is a tectonic shift, in my humble opinion, when it comes to romantic relationships as far as young people of today are concerned. There's a generational shift, the way they look at romantic relationships and the decisions they make and the way they go about themselves in the realm of being in a romantic relationship is very different from what it used to be. And it holds true for young people across the world. It's not just the Indian youth. It's young people across the world are very sure about themselves, and there has been a change. I mean, like there were members of our directorial team, all youngsters, and interacting with them, all 19 years old, 18 years old, 20 years old, and interacting with them, you get to understand how much more liberal they are in their outlook when it comes to romantic relationships. So that was another learning for me that I got from Befikre and from interacting with so many young people who were working on the film. Yeah, I am a little more traditional because those are my foundational years, I have grown up in an age where there was very little internet and very little social media and connectivity and so on. So for me, my take on these things is a little bit more traditional because I'm not an 18-year-old in today's day and age, So my foundational and formative years have been a little more traditional.
Same here. I feel I'm very conventional when it comes to relationships, and I'm simple that ways. I don't expect and demand a lot, but for somebody who has the ability to look beyond themselves is more than enough for me in a relationship.
रणवीर here.
तेरी मेरी तो कभी नहीं बनेगी.
कभी नहीं. मैं बहुत दिखा नहीं, इतनी देर शूट करी हूँ.
इसलिए तो ताला मार के चाबी फेंक दी हमने.
Actually होना चाहिए ना.
रणवीर,
I cannot look beyond myself. तो तेरी मेरी कैसी बनेगी?
रणवीर, to your right, here.
मैं.
Right, यहाँ.
मेरे बारे में सवाल है.
Ranveer, 2 questions for you. One is, we usually see actors while they are doing period films say that it's very challenging. We don't see them say the same while doing a rom-com. for instance, we have seen both Shahid and Deepika say that Padmavati will be very, very challenging, but we have never seen them say the same for a rom-com. So why does that happen?
I think it's each actor to his own, you know. The other day I was hearing Ranbir speak and he said something that was, that may answer your question. According to him, it's even more difficult to act in films like Ye Jawani Hai Diwani or Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, you know, where you don't have a distinctive character, where you have to bring your own personality that has to be entertaining and engaging and charming enough to add it to the character. So it's each actor to his own. It's what you find challenging, maybe another actor doesn't find that challenging. So I guess it's a personal preference. According to me, for me, I don't know, man. I don't know what's more difficult or less difficult. What I know is that I'm very happy and blessed to be working in films and that I go out every day and do my best, and that's the best I can do. Sometimes you have very difficult days on easy films. Sometimes you have very easy days on seemingly difficult films. So there are too many factors and permutations, so there's no real answer to that.
Also, Shah Rukh Khan, Shah Rukh Khan recently on Coffee with Karan said that if the underwear that you're wearing in the movie is not a padded one, he's a fan. How do you
लाल चड्डी इसका जवाब मैंने कॉफी विद करण पे दिया है आज सवेरे. आप एपिसोड के लिए वेट कीजिएगा.
But were there any inhibitions while shooting for the same?
No, I think I'm very comfortable in my own body. I'm quite besharam that way. See, the thing is, to be honest, for me, physical nudity means nothing. You know, for me as an actor, what I'm doing is letting you into a much more intimate part of me. You know, when I go out on screen and I'm emoting and I'm really feeling it in that moment, then I'm letting you into my soul, essentially. So I cannot be more naked than that. So physical nudity for me doesn't compare. I've put a lot more on display that's a lot more intimate.
We'll take the last question, please.
Hi, Ranveer.
Thank you. Yeah, we're very happy and very proud about that. It's a good thing, and all credit to Mr. Bansali for that.
Hi, Ranveer. Hi, Ranveer. I'm Shiv from Movie Talkies. I would like to ask you that what do you think was so different about Befikre that Adi chose to direct it after 8 years?
I think
from Adi's point of view.
From Adi's point of view, obviously, because he's never going to meet you to answer this question on his own. So I will be his mouthpiece then. Should I him and do it? But I need both my hands, so Vani, you'll have to hold the mic for me. Okay? The thing is, I started writing this film thinking that somebody else will direct it. But at some point I thought to myself, yaar, nahi, ye main hi direct kar sakta hu. So yeah, that was a little sneak peek into the man you've never met. But yeah, I think that is the truth of the matter. He went and he wrote this, he had this idea and he put pen to paper and he started writing it thinking that he would pass the script on to someone else to direct. But halfway through writing, he was like, man, I have a very distinct vision for this film, which I think only I'll be able to execute. So I'll direct this film. Hello? हाँ, क्या कर रहे तू मार्च में? हाँ, ready. Picture shuru.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Thank you.
I have actually, sir, never said that I'm a method actor because I am not a method actor. I think method is a term that is very loosely thrown around. Nobody really understands what this thing is, method, you know. Even the person who invented this term method acting when he grew old and senile, said, "Whatever I said is rubbish. Please don't follow it." You know, so yeah, I've never really claimed to be a method actor. Yes, I do have a process which changes with every role, every character, every film, and every scene. Yes, Mr. Bhansali was kind of broke my ideas and notions about acting. Sir. Like I said, my process changes for every film and every character. So yeah, Mr. Bhansali kind of broke all of that, and sort of there was a spike in my evolution having worked with him for the first time, because he'll come on set and he'll change everything, and you have to adapt to you know, the fluidity of his creativity in the moment and just go with it with full conviction. So it was a huge evolution for me to have worked with him. And then I think my first real film that was very candid and casual and conversational was Dil Dhadakne Do. And I think Adi sir is a blend of both. You know, he is one director who really engulfs a very, very wide spectrum of an audience. You know, it will be subtle and nuanced and credible and still, you know, completely entertaining. It won't be so subtle ki bhaiya baat pahunchi nahi audience tak. You know, he's at the end of the day a full-on mainstream director. So for me, Adi sir, even this is something I thought about him even before I worked with him, is he's one guy who can really, really blend the factor of credibility and commerce in a film and bring them both together to appeal to a very, very wide spectrum of audience. Yes, Befikre is a film all about casual banter. There's a lot of walking and talking. There's a lot of humorous dialogues. We improvised a lot. And yeah, I mean, we've done a lot of long takes, so there are hardly any cuts, which is great for us as actors. So you'll find, I think that casual quality about the relationship dynamic adds an immense amount of value to a film like this.
Thank you so much, guys. This is like the last question. Thank you so much for coming and being a part of this event, guys.
Dad's promotion. क्या हो रहा है आदित्य सर, क्या हो रहा है? गाना बजाओ नहीं तो गाओ.
Sorry, that's the last question. I'm so sorry. Let's do some photo ops.
सुदामा और रणवीर का गाना है.
आपके बड़े डिमांड हो गए हैं मैडम जी.
Come, we'll do some photo ops, please. Thank you.
Sir, both of you left. Excuse me, both of you are
नहीं नहीं
चलो थैंक यू रणवीर
किधर